Hey guys, it's Riley. Today I'm going to show you a makeup look using my favorite drugstore products, and I really hope you like it. Okay, I've just put my hair back just because I don't want my face. I'm going to start with brows, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. Wow Brow on my eyebrows to fluff them up. We're about to see a cat, I think. Just going to come say hello. And I'm just going to push it up. Oh. He's right next to me. Yep. That's Clyde. He'll be in every video, apparently. Okay, bye. And so I'm just gonna fluff these up. Nothing crazy. Next product I'm gonna go in with is this concealer. It's Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define. And I'll put all the products I use down below. And I'm gonna put this on my eyelids just to cancel out any veining I have on there. Just a nice little swipe. I'm also going to use this under my eyes later. I'm just going to blend that in. Okay. Now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. And the eyeshadow I'm going to use today is, I don't really have a favorite drugstore eyeshadow palette. I need to get more and really determine what I like and don't like. So I'm just going to use, this isn't bad, this is the Makeup Revolution Redemption eyeshadow palette Essential Mattes. Looks like this. And then I'm just going to use, I dropped the brush in it. I'm going to use, I think this one with a nice fluffy brush, fluffy blending brush. Just going to go on the crease. Back and forward motion and just build that up. I'm using this NYX matte bronzer in the shade medium, and I just use a fluffy brush again, and I'll put that on the crease of my eyelid, just back and forth windshield wiper motions. So I'm done with the eyes. It's very simple, very quick. You can literally just use one color and that could be your bronzer. You can use your bronzer for it. It works perfectly well. Again, so I use this on my eyes with a little bit of the Makeup Revolution, but you can also just use this and it will work. The next thing I'm going to go in with is my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I also have the luminous one too, and I like to mix it in different areas of my face depending on what my pores are like and stuff. So just the regular pink poreless one, I put my T's on, like around my nose and right here under on my cheek area, and then on my chin, and then I do a little down my nose. And then for the luminous one, this one I believe just came out recently, I will add that one to more of the areas I want to highlight. So right here, forehead area, is nothing too crazy. Nice little glow. For foundation, I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. color correcting stick, and it's green because I picked up my face with a little red mark. So I'm going to put that on before the foundation just so it cancels out the red a little bit. The foundation I'm going to use is the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation, and I'm going to mix two colors, and I'm going to mix beige and buff together because my skin is, I have self tan on, but it's like coming off, so the buff might be a little bit too dark. So I'm gonna mix this on a beauty blender. And I'm just gonna put that all over and blend on the ears too. Okay, I need to add more. It's just a really great foundation, I think. So I recommend to anyone. Nice dewy glowy foundation, I would say. So that's all blended in now. And then I'm gonna go in with the same concealer I used before, the Makeup Revolution one, under my eyes. This is a very good concealer. Probably the one I use most often. Gives nice coverage and good price. And then I'll blend that out. Next, I'm gonna go in with my favorite liquid highlight. Drugstore or not, it's also by Makeup Revolution. I really like their brand. They have really good quality stuff, and it's all rubbed off because I use it all the time. But it's their liquid highlight in luminous gold, and I'll just put the title. I'll put the name of it down below. It's super pigmented and super glowy. And a little goes a long ways. So I just do around here and a bit on my nose, and I might have gone too much. I'll just take my finger and put the excess. Cupid's right above my lip. Cupid though. Down my nose, and then I'll use the Beauty Blender to blend out the highlight on my face. Okay, now that it's all blended, I'm gonna go in with cream contour. I love cream contour. It looks very natural and easy to blend, and there's usually no harsh lines. So I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toast. Just looks like this, and I'm gonna put it under my cheeks, on the bone, around my face. You don't need too much because it is pigmented. A little under, or on the chin, jaw, chin, whatever. And then I'll go in and blend that out. I'm gonna go in with my setting powder now, and I'm gonna use Makeup Revolution Light Lavender Loose Setting Powder. I wouldn't say this is a favorite, but it's one of the only setting powders I have that is Drugstore. I haven't really found one that I really love, and that just went everywhere, so that's good news. Oh, I got all over my pants. Yeah, this is a bit messy, not gonna lie. I'm gonna put that under my eyes. And then I'm also going to put down and so that just set my face everywhere. And then I'm going to go in with bronzer, and the same bronzer that I used on my eyelids. And it's the NYX matte bronzer. And just put where I put the contour and around. Okay, if I want a little bit more glow, then I'll go in over that with Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Glow, or number 4. I'm not sure, and I'll just put that around my face. I'm gonna carve out my bronzer, make it a little bit more defined, using the Rimmel London translucent setting powder, I believe. And just put that under, clean it up a bit. And then kind of just, I'm gonna go in with highlight now. And this one is broken, but it works well still. It's the Milani Day Glow Strobelight bronzer. Not bronzer, highlight. I'm just gonna put that where I put the cream highlight or liquid highlight. A nice little C. And then I'll get a small little brush. This one. Small little pencil brush. And then put it on the tip of my nose. And then down center. For a nice like glowy just like a nice glow all around the face, I like to use the Milani Candlelight Spotlight Face and Eye palette. It looks like that. And I'll just take a really big fluffy fan brush and just kind of push it, go all around, and then just wipe it all over the face. I don't really have like a favorite drugstore, so I'm just gonna go in with this CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara. Put that on my lashes. Oh. Okay, if you do that, don't touch it, let it dry, and then you'll be able to just like wipe it away once it dries. It'll come off a lot easier rather than smudge it all over your face. So, I also have one right there too. Yeah, this mascara is a little bit wet, I would say. A little messy. Okay, I'm still letting it dry on my face. So, this is easily a daytime look to go out. If I'm going out at night, I'll add the NYX, or if I just want to be a little extra like I usually do, I'll add the NYX Shimmer Down in Platinum to my inner corner. And these NYX like shimmers and like pigments that they have in glitter, they're amazing. I highly recommend that you invest in a couple colors that you like. They just add a little extraness to your eyeshadow. See, it kind of pops the eyes a bit, so I like that. And then I'm gonna go in with some brow gel. This is Essence, and just gonna brush up my brows so they're fluffy. So I'm gonna go in with my favorite setting spray, and this is Dewy Setting Spray by e.l.f. It's like this nude one, and it smells like coconuts, and it works really well, and I just love it. This is my second bottle. I'm almost done. It smells so good. Can you add too much? No. Okay, for lip product, I have this one. If I want a glossy lip, I use the NYX Filler Instinct Plumping Lip Polish in the clear. But then for like matte lips, I love the Milani Amore matte lip cream. Feels really nice on the lips, stays well, lots of colors, good price. So I'm gonna put this on, and they're not too drying on the lips. Oh, I'm gonna add this gloss over the lips. I've decided. So, that is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Very minimal, not too much, very easy to do. And I think it turned out pretty well. So I hope you guys liked it, and please subscribe if you want to see more. And I'm happy to do other videos that you guys want. Thanks.